Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. How to get rid of bad breath. Bad breath from the mouth often puts people in an awkward position as it is a sign of poor oral hygiene. Regular cleaning of teeth and tongue are the first steps to combat bad breath. Experts in the food industry emphasize the good action of some beverages in the fight against bad breath from the mouth. Bad breath is most often the result of increased amounts of bacteria in the oral cavity and their effect on food debris, blood or tissues in the mouth. In the mouth, bacteria on the back of the tongue and periodontal pockets, which are not characteristic of the resident microflora, can be settled and overdeveloped. Bacterial colonization through the fissures, wells, proximal parts, gum pockets, on the back of the tongue is a major source of bad breath. It also rises in a wholly pierced sage on which a latch is formed covering a part of its chewing surface. What can you do? 1. Improve your oral hygiene. Maintaining good oral hygiene through regular and quality toothbrushing, cleansing of the tongue and interdental spaces will reduce the amount of bacteria in the oral cavity. For a good cleaning of the teeth, it is necessary to wash them 2 times a day, morning and evening after a meal for at least 3 minutes. The use of fluoride toothpastes and mouthwash without alcohol help to remove bad breath. The tongue should also be cleaned either through the special surface on the back of the brush or by specially designed cleaning agents. The use of toothbrushes and interdental brushes is mandatory in the evening after the teeth are washed. 2. The use of green tea. High levels of fluorides in green teas are conducive to maintaining good oral hygiene. Of course, these teas should not contain sugar ingredients but be entirely natural. This green tea also contains a great deal of antioxidants. Green tea is believed to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Green tea also has the ability to reduce stress and harmful environmental influences. Has the ability to relax the body, thanks to the L-theanine it contains. This essential ingredient in green tea increases concentration and improves memory without the need for increased intake of caffeinated beverages. 3. Water consumption. It has been confirmed that one of the methods of combating bad breath is taking enough water. Water quenches thirst, and dryness in the mouth is one of the reasons for bad breath. Water hydrates the body and is of the utmost importance for maintaining the cells throughout the body. 4. The use of parsley. The use of parsley and mint has only a short effect on bad breath. They have a masking effect but do not solve the problem. Some people are still using them. 5. Sugars without sugar. Regular use of sugar-free gums helps to clean teeth between meals from residual food residues and plaque. They also have a refreshing effect. They also have a masking effect because they only temporarily remove bad breath. Sugar-free chewing gums have a significant choreogenic effect through their cleansing action and the stimulation of saliva, which normalizes the low pH in the mouth after a meal. 6. Regular visits to the dental office. Regular prophylactic examinations and oral rehabilitation are undoubtedly a way to resolve the bad breath problem. The combination with good personal oral hygiene would eliminate the inconvenience of communicating with others.